Alright guys, we've got a 2005 Big Dog Chopper motorcycle for sale. This bike currently has 5,934 very well cared for miles. Now this particular bike has the orange metallic base, and then you've got metallic blue tribal flames, and you've got some purple pinstriping around those flames. But it's an absolutely gorgeous bike. Now the Chopper model in 2005 was equipped with the 117 cubic inch 1916 cc S&S V-twin motor, and then you've also got a 6-speed Baker transmission, and then you've also got a right side balance drive. The Chopper model also included a 21-inch rim up front, and then in the rear you've got a 18-inch rim mounted on a gigantic 250 rear tire. Now, this bike does have the Mean Mother pipes, have no bafflers in there, so they give this bike an absolutely phenomenal sound. The only thing with the Mean Mothers is they don't have heat shields, and so it's really easy to burn your boots on them or burn something on them, and that's what's happened on these pipes. But overall, they're in good shape. It's nothing you want to expect on a bike that is 7 years old. So the bike does have a few minor surface scratches. Again, something you definitely want to, not expect on something of this age. But let's go ahead and get you some close-ups just to give you a better idea of what kind of condition the bike is in. The polished billet and the chrome's been taken good care of. You can tell that the bike's definitely been stored inside over the course of its life. There are a few minor pits on the valve covers, but nothing too serious. Could always have them re-chromed later on down the road. I've had it done before, and it's not too crazy expensive. Rear fender is in absolutely phenomenal shape. Looks like there's never been any rear passenger seats on there. So it does look very, very good. Both tires are in really good shape. It's got deep tread. I'm guessing the rear tire's probably been replaced here within the last year or so, but you've definitely got a good couple seasons out of both the front and the rear. Got some bug marks. Nothing too crazy up there. let's go ahead and start it up for you. So it should give you a better idea of what kind of condition the bike is in and also how it runs. If you do have any other questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to either shoot me a call or an email. I'd love to address any of those for you. I do appreciate your time and most definitely look forward to the possibility of working with you. Thank you so much.